Thutha wa nditimurano hiu cia kiuteti icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi, mumirira ma ithurano nini icigo-ini itiganite ni marikitie kwanirirwo kuria gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Ugunja Moses Omondi Okoth wa kiama kia ODM niwe wanirirwo ta muhotani thutha wake kwigwatira kura 9,447 kuria acindite mung'ethaniri wake wa hakuhi Odhiambo Orondi wa kiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front uria wigwatire kura 1,819. Mumirira maya makianirirwo ni murugamiriri wa ithurano gicigo-ini giki Dennis Ombare thukuru-ini wa imwana wa Mbira.
I hereby declare Moses Okoth Omondi of ID number 21254651 has been duly elected as member of National Assembly for Ugunja constituency in the election held on 27th day of November 2025.
My focus will be purely on development agenda. I'll continue to sustain the development agenda of this great constituency of Ugunja.
Na kwa gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kasipul Boyd Were wa kiama kia ODM niwe mubunge muthure wa gicigo giki thutha wa kuhotana na kura 16,819 akirumirirwo ni mung'ethaniri wake wa hakuhi Philip Aroko na kura 8,473 uria urahuranagira giturwa giki hari mundu kiumbe.
I want to thank the people of Kasipul for believing in me and entrusting me with the responsibility to lead them. I also want to thank my competitors. We had 5 of them here who conceded defeat and agreed to support so that at least we can move forward as a people. And I want to urge everyone in Kasipul, let's embrace each other and let's maintain peace.
Uhotani wake ni ukungwirwo ni arumiriri yake hamwe na atongoria yake kiama kia ODM guku akianirira kurutithania wira na andu othe na gutigirira ni akinyaniria tabarira ciothe iria iratiganeirio.
Shows that the ODM party remains strong, remains resilient, remains ready. And for those who wrote off ODM because of the passing of Baba, I think they have now seen for themselves that ODM is the largest party south of Sahara and north of River Limpopo. This is also a very big honor to our departed party leader, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.
Na kwa mwena wa Magarini kaunti ya Kilifi, Harrison Kobe wa kiama kia ODM niwe waniriwo ta muhotani thutha wake kwigwatira kura 17,909 agicinda mung'ethaniri wake wa hakuhi Stanley Kenga wa kiama kia DCP uria wigwatire kura 8,907.
Harrison Garama Kombe as the duly elected Member of Parliament for Magarini constituency.
All protocols observed. Nichukue nafasi hii nimshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa safari ndefu tuliyokuwa naye akawa pamoja nasi mpaka kufikia siku ya leo.
Na kwa gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Marava kaunti ya Kakamega, David Dakwa wa kiama kia UDA niwe waniriwo ta muhotani wa giturwa giki na kura 21,564 thutha wake kuhota mung'ethaniri wake wa hakuhi Seth Panyako wa kiama kia DPK na kura 20,210.
I now declare Mr. David Athman Dakwa as officially has been elected the official MP of Malawa constituency.
Dakwa eranĩire kunyitanĩra na mwingi wothe wa Marava gutigirira ni mamukira uthii wa na mbere gutekumakania mari mwena uriku wa uteti.
Kwa wote wenye wako hapa, kwa wote wenye wako nje, kwa wote marafiki wenye wananisikiza wananiona, hii ushindi ni wetu sisi wote. Na nitahakikisha ya kwamba nitakuwa mtu wa kusikia maoni ya kila mtu. Nitakuwa mvumilivu kwa nyinyi yote.
Muthia hotania ya maugite nimekutira mwingi wira na gutigirira ni marikia tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Maina wa Kihara.